Hello everyone, welcome to another one of the 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself videos with our little walk and talk here today. And today's principle is principle 97 of this series. And this one is all about truth. So he says that truth will always lift us up, always make our relationships better, versus lies and half-truths will always weigh us down, drag us down, and stop us from really achieving this. And this is generally the case that we want to be truthful, okay? We don't want to lie to everybody all the time. We want to be able to be, rather honest about our life and the way we're living it and what we're achieving. And a lot of people tend to distort the truth slightly to what they would have liked to have done or what they, wanted to do and they didn't actually do. They'll just tell people they actually did that, to a small degree. And a lot of people try to get away with this. Now, there are two main things that will affect this process, okay? One of them will be guilt. People will feel bad that they why did I lie to these people? Why did I distort the truth? I care about these people. Why am I always lying to them? Kind of component. And there's a few other matters in this one too. See, if you lie to other people, you're going to have your subconscious mind be programmed to want to lie to you, okay? It'll give you more false information because how you treat others is how you will treat yourself ultimately, okay? This is why, as I explained in the Golden Rule video, the Golden Rule actually applies here. Because, as I said, how you treat others is how you're going to end up treating yourself at a subconscious level. And you're not going to be able to control most of that process. Now, getting rid of guilt is definitely huge. You'll never feel guilty about lying to people, okay? You can get rid of all of that. But this doesn't mean to go on and lie to people, because when you know this, okay, when you go down the process of doing this, then it's still just not advantageous in the long run, okay? Now, in the short run, sometimes you're going to need to lie to people, and, just avoid it for the most part, okay? Nobody's going to be perfect to this. Sometimes you're going to need to lie. Sometimes you're going to need to tell the truth. And that's just how life goes. So don't think, oh, I can never tell a lie. I can't tell it to save somebody's life or, to do this or that. But just avoid lying in general as much as possible. If you feel you need to do it, go ahead. Be mindful, though, of the process. And see that in the long run, it's really not really so advantageous. So don't lie a majority of the time. And when you do lie, eventually try to cut down on that, but I wouldn't be too concerned with it, okay? It's not like it's going to completely destroy your life, but it can get your subconscious mind to be a little more negative and to give you some false information. So if you want the best life you can have, I would suggest getting rid of it as much as you can, but it's like nothing's ever perfect, so, don't try to be perfect at it, just get a little bit better. Anyway, that's about it for this principle. I will see you guys next time with our 98th principle, I believe. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.